Alrighty, I believe we are ready to start, so with no further ado, I'll hand this over to Brett.
Thanks, Jeff. I want to appreciate everybody coming out today despite the rain and the weather and the dogs barking. I want to thank Jeff and Dorothy for coming out every year and supporting us. I want to thank Central Illinois Jack's Wax for coming out, and Doug over here serving some great food that I never got to eat. Along with the other trophies, we added motorcycle class this year, so we got a little longer award ceremony, I guess, to give out. So just hang tight with me. We'll give away the top 50. These are in no order by any means, so don't be mad if you're not number 1 or 10 or whatever. And if I spell your name wrong, or if I say your name wrong, I cannot read my own writing. So here we go. Oh, I forgot. Along with our trophies that we give out, the top 50, I was approached back in the winter by a guy who is starting an organization for street rods and customs and everything on the East Coast. He's trying to branch out, and he picked our show to donate 5 trophies at our discretion to give out in their name or whatever. So we have those trophies to add to the list that we have. All right. Number 1, Harry Lynch with a Honda. Number 2, Rich Holloway with a Corvette. I got about halfway through and I forgot to write the year of the vehicle down, so sorry. Number 3, Shelly Chisholm with a Porsche. Number 4, Don and Shelley Dubois with an International Scout. That's the award that I talked about that they sent to us, so you're not confused. Let's see, lost my place. Number 5, Tyler Kinney with a Kia. No, number 6, Mike Simpson with a C10.
I believe that's 2-wheel drive. Oh yeah, that's it.
Good wheel drive.
Good wheel drive, he says. Good wheel drive.
Wrong wheel drive. Number 7, Kyle Bent with the Challenger.
Albert.
Oh, Kyle Burton.
That's all right. That's all right.
He said Kyle Burton. I thought you were talking about a NASCAR driver. Number 7, David Edbert with a Chevy Silverado. If you get a chance, check out that truck. He's got a turbo under the hood. It's really kind of cool. Number 8, Tom Kinkin with a GMC dually.
That takes a lot of wheels to drive that one. A lot of wheels.
Number 9, Lester Hudson with a 66 Chevy Impala. No alarm trophy. Rich Sullins, number 11, 72 Camaro. There it comes. Oh, 50-50 last night, now a trophy today. Holy cow. Number 11, Jody Trailer with a 79 Trans Am. Number 12, Ron Schneeman with a 71 GTO.
But we wheelchair him up here. GTO, not a Dodge.
Lucky number 13, Kenny Flowers with the 73 Dodge. Number 14, Kenny Ayersman with an 01 GMC pickup truck. Jim Potter with a 53 Pontiac. Here, left her. You don't want the dog in the picture? He's like, Dad, I had to put up with you all day out here. Don the Cook with a 69 VW Bug.
A couple extra pistons for you in case you need them. There you go. Thanks, guys. Yep.
Cody Oldfather with an 81 Corvette. You could have brought your bike too.
Should have.
Aaron Keist with a 2010 Camaro and a 91 Corvette, so he gets two of the big ones. Trying to cut some time out there.
One's Nicky's. Corvette's hers.
Okay, I'm sorry. It was.
Okay, we'll do two different shots then. Okay. You hold that.
Here, you hold this, buddy.
Yeah, but you filled out both of the window cards, so and you put your name on them.
Bad move. Okay. Okay.
Get one with your mom, you know. Hold hers.
And then you guys hold it out.
You can have them all.
Okay.
That one. Okay.
Got it? Don't drop it. Hold on to it. Thank you.
Gary Holzhauer with a 97 Dakota.
Anybody got a shot too?
Here, Rick.
Here we go. There we go. There we go. All right.
Dustin Cook with a 79 Monte Carlo.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Gary Couch with a 68 Camaro. Did say your name right, didn't I, Gary? Okay, good. We have Jerry Crouch with a 70 GTX. And Jerry Crouch with a 13 Challenger.
Oh, you got two? Okay. We'll do one. All right.
I just-
Take two shots, I'll give you another one.
I just realized that.
Okay, I'll do another shot. You've got two trophies. Go ahead. Got two trophies. Okay.
This one I could not read the name on the window card because it was buried underneath of his dash, basically. It's a 87 Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe, right back next to Jerry's Challenger. Oh, there he is. What's your name, sir?
Jack.
Jack. Thank you. John Colvey with a 38 Dodge Coupe. Pam Burgess with a 72 VW Bug. Herbie. Mike Anderson with the 71 LTD convertible. Yeah, what's the next one? Let's see here. Danny Heath with a 68 C10 Chevy pickup. Even have an orange shirt to match your orange truck. Brad Green with an 81 Monte Carlo SS. Mr. John Burrow with a 56 T-Bird. George Pfeffinger with an 03 Corvette.
And not only that, but this guy here, he ran around this place that helped the sunshine. So I want you guys to know that.
Yeah, he brought.
He brought the sunshine. That's right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Clarence Brown, 85 Chevy pickup.
I'm sorry. I didn't turn my hand with a little heart. Here, that's a good one. There you go. Thank you.
Bob John with a 1998 Ford Contour SVT. Bob, okay. Terry Rodell with a 66 Nova. He's coming. Yep.
This is the 68. 68. Yeah, no, but it's all right.
Didn't it say 68? No, club participation. No. Okay, we have club participation award. We give it out to clubs that show up that have the most members present at this event. How many clubs do we have here? 22. How many you got, Dustin? 5. Can anybody else beat 5? Once, twice. Come on up. Club participation award to the Twisted Machines Car Club.
That'll be a time for tie.
What?
3 cars, 5 minutes.
No, with cars.
Yeah, with cars. With cars.
More than 5.
Hold on.
Somebody else said he got more than 5.
Oh, we got more.
Yeah, we got more than 5.
Here?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well,
Midwest
okay. I mean,
Well, then we need you guys up here.
yeah, come on up.
Somebody's got to represent somebody.
Who's going to go up there and
Not only are you a member, but you're
this shit is going down? It's going to be a good
guys.
Even said 1.
Who else is Midwest Reeves? Tyler, you're in my group, Tyler. Your car is here. I should say our group.
looks like you got more than enough as it is, so I think we're all right. So let's get over here so we can get the picture a little bit closer, guys.
Not my phone. Right?
Add more members.
Call them reinforcements. Get your cars here.
All right, who's taking it?
What's the name of the club?
Midwest Street Racers.
Midwest Real Street Machines.
Yeah, Midwest Real Street Machines.
We're like 887 strong.
Best paint, Gary Couch, 68 Camaro. I accidentally skipped one. Top 50. Yeah, Mike Burgess, 65 Mustang. I accidentally skipped over you. I'm sorry. Can't read my own writing. Yeah, because it's a Mustang, I did it on purpose.
It is. He's anti-Mustang.
Yeah. Engine. Best engine, Terry Rodell, 66 Nova, or 68 Nova, sorry.
Minor details.
Interior. Best interior, Pam Burgess with a 72 VW Bug.
Well, the end of the YouTube video didn't show me cleaning up.
Okay, this award is in memory of my mom. If you've never been here before, my mom was a really big gearhead, and she influenced me to do this show, and after she passed, we just took it. So this is in her memory. And my choice for her is Jody Trailer with a 79 Pontaic Trans Am. Damn near. A little bit darker. Mine was a little bit darker. Yes. Okay, long distance. Who drove a long way to be here?
5 blocks. 6 blocks.
He drove from Indiana.
Pekin. Okay, who can beat Pekin? Peoria. We got Peoria.
Pekin's the winner.
Okay, we're gonna have a cage match next. I don't know which one's farther, Peoria or Pekin. My phone's in my truck, and I got a microphone and a clipboard or a thing here. I can't look up nothing.
We got 1 Peoria. That one's 97 miles.
Okay. So Pekin. Pekin works.
Now, if we knew exact addresses, it might come out different.
Yeah, if we knew the exact address and because we might all show up for dinner tonight. Okay, best of show. Lester Hudson with a 66 Chevy Impala. Yeah. And okay. I don't know where we ran off to. Oh.
Right behind you.
Oh, I forgot one, ladies' choice. Okay. Hey, Lester, hang out for a minute here. No, not here, but don't run away. Ladies' choice. We have Jerry Couch with the 13 Challenger. That's hard to say.
I was waiting for you to get the inside.
No, it's a guy.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's what?
I was waiting for you to see.
Seen it on the face. He's coming. Oh, he's coming. Yeah, he got the purple.
Oh, okay.
And we also added motorcycles this year, and we were hoping for a better turnout, but the weather messed us up. So we have Daryl Bennett with an 06 Harley Davidson. I don't know, Tina, you want to go with him and
Well, what kind of car did you get again?
Dodge Challenger?
No. I'm just joking.
Yeah, he got the bikes. Clarence Brown with a 97 Harley Davidson.
Small Southwest.
Skylar.
Polito.
Okay. For the 2014 Harley Davidson. We have John Elmore with the 2017 Harley Davidson. And Jason for the 2019 Harley Davidson. Along with the motorcycle classes, somebody that we all knew, he left us here, about a month and a half ago or so, and I was at work one day, and I thought, why don't we do a trophy in his memory? And I talked it over with Tina and the guys in the club, and they were all for it. So this is in memory of Cole. They picked Lester Hudson, 66 Impala. You guys want to come up? And along with this, if we were gonna have a really good turnout of motorcycles, because Cole liked to ride bikes, motorcycles, and that we were going to donate the proceeds from the entries of the motorcycles to the family, but we didn't have a very good turnout because of the weather. So the club is going to take their half of the 50-50 and donate it to the family, which is how much? $220. So it's better than a stick in the eye, I guess, but you know, we're doing what we can.
Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
That's it. That's all we have. Hopefully, you guys can get home and beat the rain. We hope to see you next year, and hopefully the weather's better. So, everybody be safe going home. See ya.